Today, I will show you how to make a simple and healthy chicken teriyaki meal prep. 5 balanced meals, perfect for staying on track with your fitness goals.
Summertime is near. Skies are getting clear. You see, everything just seems alright. But still, all is pretty red. Sitting in my bed, just me. It feels like the time is right to go and find a friend today. What I just live. Let's go to the beach. Let's have a drink or maybe two. Take me by the hand.